Hello, this is 1-8 part 2. So part 1 we were solving using division, and in part 2 we're going to solve using multiplication. Yay! Oh wow, that was ugly. Let's try that again. Yay! So in example A, let's look at this one. H divided by 3 equals 6. I see division here, so we're going to do the inverse of division, which is multiplication. We're going to multiply both sides by 3. Here we're dividing by 3, so we are going to multiply by 3 or 3 over 1. What you do to one side, you have to do to the other. Okay, we can put this 6 over 1, or leave both without the ones, whatever's easier for you. So h divided by 3 times by 3, we're left with h, which is what we want. That's the goal. H equals 6 times 3, that's 18. If we want to check, let's plug in 18 for h. 18 divided by 3, does that equal 6? Yes, it does. So we know we've done it right. Let's look at how it works with division with a negative 3. Now we're dividing by negative 3. We are going to multiply by negative 3. You want to use the same number. That way when you combine them, negative 3 divided by 1 times h divided by negative 3. This piece, negative 3 divided by negative 3, negative divided by negative, we still get positive 1. Or positive h times 1. 6 times negative 3, that's negative 18. Let's check to make sure. Negative 18 divided by negative 3, does that equal positive 6? Negative divided by a negative is positive. 18 divided by 3 is 6. 6 equals 6. We're good. So in this one, our answer, h equals 18, and here h equals negative 18. One more. B divided by negative 4 equals 5. I have division of a negative 4, so I'm going to do the inverse of division, which is multiplication. I'm going to multiply by negative 4, or negative 4 over 1. What you do to one side, you have to do to the other. Okay, we'll put this over 1 to make it easier. Negative 4 over 1 times b divided by negative 4. These cancel out. That's what we want. b equals 5 times negative 4, which is negative 20. Negative 20 to check, and you can do this in your mind too. b is negative 20 divided by negative 4. Is that 5? Negative divided by negative is positive. 5 equals 5. Alright, let's try a word problem. This is example 3 in the book. It takes 450 person hours to prepare a convention center for a conference. The director of the convention center assigns 25 people to do the job. If each person works the same number of hours, how long does each person work? So in total, we have 450 person hours. So the total number of hours by everyone is 450. And there's 25 people working, and we want to know how many hours, how long does each person work. So let's say h equals hours, and we have 25 people working, so 25h equals 450, or the total. I see multiplication here, so I'm going to divide by 25. 25h divided by 25, I'm left with h, or the number of hours worked per person. Let's add that per person. 450 divided by 25, if you're not sure, do it off to the side. 25 goes into 45 once. I'm left with 200. And 200 divided by 25 would be 8. So H equals 18. So how long does each person work? 18 hours. And that's the answer. All right, now it's your turn. Please answer the questions in the Google form below, and I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.